How to delete Face ID on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can delete your Face ID on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to delete your Face ID on iPhone, open up the settings application, and once you open the settings app, here you'll find Face ID and passcode, so make sure to tap on it. Enter your screen's passcode first, and here you'll see different types of Face ID that you have added. Now all you can do is you can actually just choose to reset Face ID option here. When you tap on reset Face ID option, you should be able to actually go ahead and view other options, and your Face ID will get successfully resetted. This way you will be able to reset your Face ID. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.